Spencer showed us earlier in the show, Huntington and parts of the Tri-State receiving roughly 2 inches of rainfall throughout the night and early morning.
Yeah, and for one resident, finding his house in great danger for sure. 13 News reporter Haley Kozik joins us now with more. Haley?
Joe, Carlos and his wife bought the house in 2007 to stay close to family. They raised kids in it and both worked so hard to make it their own. But at the same time of the purchase, had no idea what kind of problems they would be facing now.
I mean, we keep building, I keep refixing my retaining walls. The retaining walls are coming down.
Carlos and his wife have lived in the same house off Johnstown Road for the last 12 years. House is finally paid off. Life should be good.
And that's what I've done. I made monthly payments and paid taxes on my house and owned my house, and now I'm losing my house.
But his reality is fighting back the crumbling hillside directly behind it. For the last year and a half, spending nearly $20,000 to stop it.
How many times I redo my retaining wall, it just keeps coming. It's a never ending, it's a losing battle. And the only thing I can say is we can pray.
With the amount of rain the region has recently seen, the ground is soft and slipping all across the Tri-State. Carlos now worrying every day his home could be wiped away at any moment.
You try not to think about it and dwell on it because it'll just make you depressed. But bottom line, you have to deal with it because it's not going away, it's getting worse. And sometimes you just feel like crying. He says he's very thankful for his neighbors helping and showing support throughout his crisis situation. Now at this time, Carlos and his wife are doing everything they can to keep the situation under control. And as they work to find permanent solutions within the city, they just have to keep on digging all the mud and do what they can. Adrian.